E.
Yo.
Hi.
Okay. Good morning. How are you?
I don't know. EDK.
What happened to you? Where are you right now?
You can see the background.
That's different.
No.
Oh, that's still your room. You just woke up?
I woke up in the 7 a.m. and now it's 9.
What did you do? Did you eat breakfast? 2 hours?
Yes.
You're
I,
2 hours awake.
I eat breakfast.
Very good. That's nice. So, what is your plan for today? Okay, after our class, what are you going to do?
EDK.
Uh,
EDK.
are you going to play basketball or football or swimming
No. Afternoon.
in the afternoon? Where are you going?
Yeah. I go to basketball in afternoon. I learn you.
Whoa. You have a basketball court there near in your place?
Yes.
That's good. That's good because you do training. Okay? You can
Yes.
learn a lot if you do training. So, let's continue on our topic last night. Okay? Because so that we can finish this one quickly. Okay?
Okay.
So, how about can you please read this one? Come in. Flyers tip.
By a thief. In the listening portrait, you should look carefully. Uh,
At
you should look carefully at both sheet of picture before you do the test. This will familiarize you with the content and help you protect what you are ready to hear.
okay, so this one context. Let's read this one again so that you will know how to pronounce this. Okay, but you need to carefully read with the letter S on the last part. Okay, for example, this one both sets. Okay, both sets. You need to read this one because there's letter S. Okay, both sets, pictures. Okay, if you see letter S, you will read it. The sound of letter S. Okay, and this one is a task. Can you please read this one again? Task, task.
Task, task,
Yes, this one
task.
is familiarize. Okay, familiarize. Again, can you please read this one?
Familiar life.
Familiarize.
Familiar life.
Yeah. Yes, very good. Context. How about context?
Contact.
Predict. Predict.
Project. Predict.
Yes. This one, likely.
Likely.
Yes, so that is how you will read these words, okay? You need to remember these words because these are important also. So you need to look carefully at both sets of pictures before you do the task. This will familiarize you. It means you are now familiar with the things inside the picture, right? You will
Yes.
notice some things, you will familiarize it, and then it help you predict words you are likely to hear. Okay, do you know the word predict? You
Yes, I know
can,
predict.
yes, it looks like you are seeing the future. You know the future already. You can predict what happened.
Yes,
Okay,
I know.
let's move. How about this one? Okay. What places can you see in the picture? Okay, how about this? Do you know what places can you see in the pictures? Do you know what are the names? For example, like this. The first one.
Airport.
Yes. Okay, that's an airport. And what does or what kind of vehicle are usually found in the airport? Okay, you can see airplanes, of course. And
Yeah,
what
I see
else?
airplane. I see helicopter.
So, yes, you can see helicopter and okay, the or oh no, I showed the museum. Okay. So, I guess you know already what is in the museum. What usually can you find in the museum, Kaimin?
Oh, I know. In the museum, I find a gold and a lot of good
Gold.
things. Yes,
Yes.
necklace.
Okay. Some you can find in the museum some historical things, right?
Yes,
Historical. Something like that is very important in the history. Those old things, right? For example, the bones of the dinosaurs, the fossil, right? You can
yes.
see it in the museum. How about this one, number 3? What kind of place is this? What do you think? That's
Castle.
a castle. Very good. Okay, what can you see in the castle?
I see uh I see the king. I see the everything.
Okay, you can see a kingdom, right? There's a
Yes, I
king,
see a
there's
kingdom.
a queen, there's a prince, princess, like that. And there's a lot of people.
Yes, I
There,
know.
have you been to a castle? Have you
No,
visited
I
a
don't.
castle?
No, I don't.
There's no castle in Vietnam?
It's God, but I not go.
Okay. What do you want? Do you want to visit a
No.
castle?
Um.
Oh,
Uh, okay,
how
but
about this?
I don't like
Okay. How about
forest.
this? That's a
Forest.
forest. Very good. Okay, how about what kind of things you can see in the forest, Kaimin?
Oh,
What kind of things?
I see the deer. I see a lot.
The deer, the wild animals, right? Those animals that are not seen in the city, you can find it in the forest, right? You can find tigers, lions, like that in the forest, but they are not seen in the city or usually those wild animals. Okay, the next one, the fifth one. What do you think is this? Is this place?
Oh, I see
What?
the police officer.
Where's the police officer? The police officer is the person.
The
Okay, the
police
police.
station.
Yes, that is the police station. Okay, a police station. So, a person who is working at the police station is called the police officer. Okay, but the place that they are working in is called the police station. Okay. What can you find in the police station? What are you going to do in the police station?
Uh, Another I under the arrest. Under arrest.
Okay, so if you are under arrest, you will go to the police station. Yes. Sometimes if you do something that is illegal, right?
What is
If you do
illegal?
something illegal, some bad things that the law is prohibited. Okay? The law is not some things that is not allowed to be done. Okay? Those are illegal things. For example, if you steal, if you rob someone, right? If you steal or stole something, okay, that is illegal. You will get prisoned or you will get under arrest, right?
Yes. Okay.
So that is why. How about this one, the last one? What do you think is that place? What do you
Um,
think is that place?
I don't know.
Okay, so that is a restaurant.
What? A
Okay, so it's not,
restaurant?
yes, it's not really obvious that's a restaurant, but that is a restaurant. Okay,
It's so
so
hard.
I guess, yes, I guess you still answered a lot. Um, five correct answers. So let's
But it's
continue.
but it's
Okay,
not
how
look like
about it looks like what?
it's not look like it's not look like a restaurant.
Yes. Okay, I understand. How about this one? You are going to hear a girl called Sophia and her uncle, whose name is Oliver, talking about where he goes for his job. Okay, so this is a listening test. Okay, so how did Uncle Oliver get to each place? Okay, listen and write a letter A to H in each box. Okay, there is one example. So, the example number one is Uncle Oliver went to the airport using, okay, his card. Okay, that is the example, letter G. So you are just going to put or answer it with letters. Okay, are you ready, Kaimin?
Yes, I'm ready, Mr. Red.
Okay, so I will play an audio. I hope that you can hear it now. So let's try to listen. Just tell me if you cannot hear something, okay?
Okay.
Let's start.
24D.
I can listen.
And arriving.
Okay.
Good.
How did Uncle Oliver get to each place?
Hi, Uncle Oliver. You have to do lots of traveling in your job, don't you?
Yes, Sophia. I went to the airport yesterday. An important person was coming to see me.
Did you give him a lift back into town?
That's right. In my new racing car. But there was lots of traffic on the motorway.
So, were you late?
Yes, by 10 minutes. He was quite angry.
And you see the letter G. Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
I wanted to find out some information at the museum in the city center on Thursday.
Did you go by train?
Yes, it's quick and easy. You buy a ticket from the machine, and there are computer screens everywhere with all the information you need about times and platforms.
You go to such interesting places. You're so lucky.
I know. I had to go and look at a castle last week. I'm writing about it for a newspaper.
How did you get there? By taxi?
Not this time. I caught a bus, but that was a bad idea. It took such a long time to get there as well.
Oh dear.
And I had to go to the police station one day.
Why?
Because I lost my money when I cycled to the shopping center last weekend. It was too far to walk, so I went by taxi.
Could the police officer there help you?
Not really. He asked me several questions. Perhaps they'll find my money. I don't know.
Where did you go on Tuesday?
Into the forest. Someone saw a bear there, so I wanted to write about that for the newspaper, too. It was a fantastic day.
Why?
Because I flew there in a helicopter. I was very high in the air. I could see all the lorries on the road below me.
Did you stay there all day?
No, I came home and then went out to dinner.
Where? To your favorite restaurant in Bridge Street?
That's right. I went there by boat this time. It was lots of fun.
Wow.
It's so hard, teacher.
Okay, again. Do you want to listen again because you only answer one?
Because it's so hard with me.
What?
It's so hard with
It's
me.
it's easy. You just need to listen first to the place, okay? You will hear the place and then you will hear what kind of vehicle did Uncle Oliver use. Okay, listen one more time. I'll give you a last chance. Okay, let's start. You need to listen to the vehicle. If it is a taxi, a train, a bus, a boat, a bike, uh, helicopter. Okay, let's listen. Let's start again. One more time.
24D. Leaving and arriving. How did Uncle Oliver get to each place?
Hi, Uncle Oliver. You have to do lots of traveling in your job, don't you?
Yes, Sophia. I went to the airport yesterday. An important person was coming to see me.
Did you give him a lift back into town?
That's right. In my new racing car. But there was lots of traffic on the motorway.
So, were you late?
Yes, by 10 minutes. He was quite angry.
And you see the letter G. Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
I wanted to find out some information at the museum in the city center on Thursday.
Did you go by train?
Yes, it's quick and easy. You buy a ticket from the machine, and there are computer screens everywhere with all the information you need about times and platforms.
You go to such interesting places. You're so lucky.
I know. I had to go and look at a castle last week. I'm writing about it for a newspaper.
How did you get there? By taxi?
Not this time. I caught a bus, but that was a bad idea. It took such a long time to get there as well.
Oh dear.
And I had to go to the police station one day.
Why?
Because I lost my money when I cycled to the shopping center last weekend. It was too far to walk, so I went by taxi.
Could the police officer there help you?
Not really. He asked me several questions. Perhaps they'll find my money. I don't know.
Where did you go on Tuesday?
Into the forest. Someone saw a bear there, so I wanted to write about that for the newspaper, too. It was a fantastic day.
Why?
Because I flew there in a helicopter. I was very high in the air. I could see all the lorries on the road below me.
Did you stay there all day?
No, I came home and then went out to dinner.
Where? To your favorite restaurant in Bridge Street?
That's right. I went there by boat this time. It was lots of fun.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay. That's good. You answered four. Okay, 4 places. Wow, very good. Okay, so in the museum, your answer here is letter C. right? Let's remove the other one. Is it letter C in the museum?
Yes.
Oh, I removed the letters, but let's try to change it into letter C, like that. And how about in the restaurant? Your answer is letter B, both. Okay, so that's it. Are you ready to check your answers, Skymin?
Yes, of course.
Okay, very good. But how about what? How about you predict what is your answer in the police station? What
Um,
What do you think
hey,
is your answer?
because I don't know.
Hey, okay, that's okay, that's okay. Let's try to check it. As long as you have answers. So, Uncle Oliver went to the museum by, what is your
Bye.
answer?
You know, I right.
Yes, that's a
C.
taxi. That's a taxi, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he went by train, not taxi.
Oh.
Okay,
Hmm.
he went by train. Okay, that's okay. How about when he went to the castle? What did he ride? Your answer is train. Let's check it. So that was a bus. Okay, he went to the castle by the bus. And
Hmm.
when he went to the forest, what did he ride?
Um.
He ride a, oh, police station is letter C and letter A in the forest. Oh no, it mixed up. You almost got it, but your answer mixed up. Okay, so you got
I don't know what I got. Huh? It's so loud. Uh,
hello? In?
Hello. Why did you leave the class?
It lost connection. It lost
Oh
connection, sorry.
no.
Okay, it's loading. Oh no, it's still loading. Oh no.
So
How about
no.
okay, because let's open it again. Okay, why is your camera off?
What? Why I cannot see you? Why I cannot see you? Oh, hi.
Hi, it's back now. Okay, let's continue. Can you see it now clearly? Okay,
Yes,
so that's
I
what
see it.
happened. Okay, let me ask you again. What did he use when he went to the police station? What did he ride?
He
What did he ride?
write I don't know.
Eh? He ride what? You can see it here in the picture.
Oh,
You don't know
yes, Irikoy.
this one?
Yes,
He
Irikoy.
ride a
Taxi.
taxi. Oh no, it's so clear. You can see
Um,
it.
I scammed you.
Okay, what did he ride when he went to the airport?
Um, Taxi. Uh, 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 Lamborghini.
Okay, his car. Okay, Lamborghini. Let's move to the next one. Okay, so what job do you think is Sophia's uncle does and why? Okay, based on what you hear, what job do you think is Sophia's uncle doing and why?
What job? I think is
He goes to place to place.
taxi.
He went he
He
visited a
he
lot
is
of
the
place.
explorer. I think he is the explorer.
Explorer? Okay. So why would an explorer visit a museum? Okay, why do you
To
think an
explore
explorer?
something. He see first
Okay.
and he go to explore. Of
Why
course.
would he visit a police station?
I don't
Why would
know.
he visit a police station? Okay? Because he is a journalist. Okay? He's a journalist and he wrote about places for the newspaper. Okay, so
Oh,
that is why he is always okay. He is always going to different places. Okay?
oh, yes. Okay, I know now.
Yes. So let's continue. Okay, how about this one, Kaimin? I want you to listen again. Answer Peter's question about Uncle Oliver. What does Sophia say? Write 1, 2, 3, or 4 words. Okay. This is more easy because you are going to write words, not letters. Okay.
Oh.
Let's try to do this. I guess this will be the last one because we only have 10 minutes left. Okay. Let's listen.
Oh.
Let's start.
24D.
Can you hear it?
Leaving
Yes.
and
Yes.
arriving. How did Uncle Oliver get to each place?
Hi, Uncle Oliver. You have to do lots of traveling in your job, don't you?
Yes, Sophia. I went to the airport yesterday. An important person was coming to see me.
Did you give him a lift back into town?
That's right. In my new racing car. But there was lots of traffic on the motorway.
So, were you late?
Yes, by 10 minutes. He was quite angry.
Can you see the letter G? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
I wanted to find out some information at the museum in the city center on Thursday.
Did you go by train?
Yes, it's quick and easy. You buy a ticket from the machine, and there are computer screens everywhere with all the information you need about times and platforms.
You go to such interesting places. You're so lucky.
I know. I had to go and look at a castle last week. I'm writing about it for a newspaper.
How did you get there? By taxi?
Not this time. I caught a bus, but that was a bad idea. It took such a long time to get there as well.
Oh dear.
And I had to go to the police station one day.
Why?
Because I lost my money when I cycled to the shopping center last weekend. It was too far to walk, so I went by taxi.
Could the police officer there help you?
Not really. He asked me several questions. Perhaps they'll find my money. I don't know.
It's so hot.
Where did you go on
It's
Tuesday?
easy.
Into the forest.
It's not.
I saw a bear there, so I wanted to write about that for the newspaper too.
He cried a lot.
It was a fantastic day
Why?
because I flew there in a helicopter. I was very high in the air. I could see all the lorries on the road below me.
Did you stay there all day?
No, I came home and then went out to dinner.
Where? To your favorite restaurant in Bridge Street?
That's right. I went there by boat this time. It was lots of fun.
Wow.
Okay, so did you listen? You can
Yeah.
listen and then you can answer. For example, when Peter asked, why did your uncle go to the airport? Okay, so Sophia answered, he went there to meet an important person. Right? So,
Oh.
what's the quickest way to get to the museum? Okay, what is the quickest way to get to the museum? Going to the museum by what?
By
What did his uncle use to get to the museum?
by bus.
Okay, let's check it. By train. Oh no, you did not remember. He
Yeah.
went to the museum by train. Okay. Where did your uncle lose his money? Okay, he dropped it in the blank when he was riding there on his bike. Where did he drop his money or wallet? Where did he drop his wallet? You heard it. Okay, you heard it. Did you listen?
Yes, but I don't know.
Yes. Okay, he dropped it in the shopping center when he was riding there on his bike. Oh
Okay.
no. So that is why he went to the police station because he reported his missing wallet. Right?
Yes.
That is why. Okay, how about this one? Number 4. Peter, okay, ask, did your uncle enjoy his ride in the helicopter? Okay, of course he did. It was a blank day because he was so high in the air. Okay, what do you think is your answer in the blank? It was a what day?
Is what?
It was a
Friday.
what?
Is what the Friday?
It was a what?
A Friday.
A Friday?
Yes.
Okay.
It's so hard with me.
That is, it was a fantastic day. Okay, last one. I hope you will answer this one. Did your uncle go to any place which weren't for work? Okay. Yes, he went to a restaurant one evening by what? It's his favorite place to eat. Okay. What did he ride when he go to the restaurant? Can you remember? What did he ride?
He rides a boat.
Okay, let's check your answer. And yes, you got one. Wow, you got one correct answer. Okay, very good. Can you please read this one more time so that you will know what are the answers? Okay. Can you please read Sophia and I will read Peter.
Peter.
Okay? Okay?
What did you read, Peter?
Okay, you read Peter. Okay, you read Peter. I will read Sophia.
No, I don't like read Peter.
Okay, I'll read Peter. Why did your uncle go to the airport?
I don't know.
Read it, the answer.
Ah,
Here,
an
this
airport
one.
person. An airport
He,
person.
he went
He went there to meet the airport. An airport person.
important. Again, an important person, not import. Okay? An important person. Again,
An important person.
yes. What is the quickest way to get to the museum? Okay, can you please read the answer?
Uh, what the quickest way to get to the going to the museum by train is the quickest.
Quickest. Okay? Going to the museum by train is the quickest. Okay? Quickest. Where did your uncle lose his
Yeah.
money? Okay. Where did your uncle lose his money?
Uh, he
In?
dropped it in the shopping center when he was riding there on his bike. I say he.
Very good. Okay. Did your uncle enjoy his ride in the helicopter? Okay, answer this one.
Um, did you? Of course, he did. It was a fantastic day because he was so high into the air.
In the air. Okay. Last one. Did your uncle go to any place which weren't for work? That's the last one.
Teacher, in my home,
Yes.
it's so loud because in the in the in the in the if it got the event, I don't know.
What? Again? In your house?
In the house, it's down. It's got the event down, and it's so loud.
What's that? What is
I
that?
don't know event. I don't know what event, but it's so loud.
Hmm. Outside?
Yes, it's so loud
You ca you cannot see it in you cannot see it in the window? What is happening?
because I am in the so high. I am so high in so high home, and it cannot see.
Whoa. So your house is in the condo? You are in the
No.
condo?
What condo?
The one that is very tall.
No. But I cannot see because I think it's outside.
Oh.
Out there.
How many floors is your house? How many floors is your house?
7 7M. 17M.
No.
Oh.
The first floor like that. First floor, second floor.
No, my house is got only one floor. Only.
70 meters?
Okay? Yes.
Okay. So that is
Teacher,
why. Okay, so what?
did you like football? Did you like
No,
football?
I don't play football. I'm not good. I'm not good at playing football.
Oh, see you next
Okay.
time. Goodbye.
Yeah, so see you again next time and enjoy your school, okay? You need to
Yes.
study well. See you again next time and bye-bye.